Court weighs Trump's birthright citizenship challenge amid broader legal concern. The Supreme Court heard arguments on the Trump administration's effort to end birthright citizenship, a constitutional right under the 14th Amendment, while Trump's lawyers sought to lift lower court blocks on enforcing the policy nationwide during ongoing lawsuits. Justices expressed concern about potential James Comey removes Instagram post after conservative backlash over 8647 message. Former FBI Director James Comey deleted an Instagram post showing seashells arranged at 8647 after conservatives accused him of threatening President Trump. The numbers are interpreted by some as to call to remove Trump, the 47th president. Comey denied any violent intent, explaining he thought it was a political message he saw on a beach walk and opposed all violence. Luxury Rome trip for state attorneys general raises conflict of interest concern. A group of US state attorneys general traveled to Rome on a luxury trip partly funded by companies they regulate, sparking conflict of interests concern. Organized by the non-profit Attorney General Alliance, that is AGA, the trip included meetings on law enforcement and human trafficking but also featured upscale hotels, sightseeing, and mingling with corporate lobbyists and attorneys from firms involved in ongoing lawsuits against some attendees. GOP probes Pfizer over alleged COVID vaccine delay ahead of 2020 election. The House Judiciary Committee, led by Republicans, has formally requested documents for Pfizer's CEO Albert Bourla and seeks an interview with former Pfizer executive Dr. Philip Dormitzer amid allegation that Pfizer intentionally delayed clinical testing of its COVID-19 vaccine until after 2020 presidential election. The inquiry follows a Wall Street Journal report citing British drug maker GSK, which sheds MAGA isolationism with assertive Middle East tour. President Donald Trump's first major overseas trip of his second term marked a notable shift from his earlier America First isolationism toward the more engaged transactional global approach, though selectively and strategically. Visiting Saudi Arabia, Qatar, and the UAE, Trump surprised many by meeting Syria's interim president, the first US leader to do so in 25 years, and signaling a readiness to ease sanctions and engage in regional diplomacy.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.